Hi, it's Teacher Kareen. Welcome to Learn from Home. Today, we will learn how to add numbers within 1000 with regrouping. Let's begin. On this slide, we will learn addition with regrouping in ones. We only need to regroup when the number in the ones place is more than 9. Let's look at this example. 7 plus 5 equals blank. Let's assign 7 on the first row and the 5 on the second row. 7 means 7 units, while 5 means 5 units. 7 and 5 make 12. Since 12 is greater than 9, that means we need to regroup. Now keep in mind that 10 units is equal to 1 rod. And that is exactly what we need to do. We need to make 10 and move it to the tens place, like this. Now we are ready to add the ones and tens. Look at the ones column. How many units are left? 2. And how many rods are there in the tens column? 1. That means 7 plus 5 equals 12. So when we say regroup 12 ones, that means 1 10 and 2 ones. On this slide, we will learn addition with regrouping in tens. Again, we only need to regroup when the number in the tens place is more than 90 or 9 tens. Let's look at this example. 93 plus 24 equals blank. Let's assign 93 on the first row, 3 ones and 9 tens, and 24 on the second row, 4 ones and 2 tens. Let's add the ones. 3 and 4 make 7. Is 7 greater than 9? No. That means we do not need to regroup the ones. What about in the tens place? 9 and 2 make 11. Is 11 greater than 9? Yes. That means we need to regroup the tens. Again, keep in mind that 10 rods is equal to 1 flat. So now that we know that, we will make 10 rods and move it to the hundreds place, like this. Now we are ready to add the tens and hundreds. Look at the tens column. How many rods are left? 1. And how many flats? 1 also. That means 93 plus 24 equals 117. So when we say regroup 11 tens, that means 100 and 110. Here is addition with regrouping using the Basestand strategy. Let's use a number sentence as an example. 276 plus 356 equals blank. Let's assign 276 on the first row and 356 on the second row. So 276 has 6 ones, 7 tens, and 2 hundreds. 356 has 6 ones, 5 tens, and 3 hundreds. Let's add the ones first. 6 and 6 make 12. Since it is greater than 9, that means we need to regroup. So that is step 1. Regroup 12 ones into 1 10 and 2 ones. Now let's add the tens. 8 and 5 make 13. Since 13 is greater than 9 also, then we need to regroup. So that is step 2. Regroup 13 tens into 100, and 3 tenths. Now we are ready to do step 3. Add the ones, tens, and hundreds. How many units are left? 2. How many rods are left? 3. How many flats are there in all? 6. So, 276 plus 356 equals 632. Here is addition with regrouping using another strategy called the expanded way. Using the same number sentence, 276 plus 356 equals blank. We need to break down the value of each digit. First, 276. So since 2 is in the hundreds place, the value of 2 is 200. 7 in the tens place, that means the value of 7 is 70. And 6 in the ones place, so the value of 6 is 6. What about 356? The value of 3 is 300. 5 is 50, and the value of 6 is 6. Let's add the ones first. 6 and 6 make 12. Then we add the tens. 70 and 50 make 120. Then the hundreds. 200 and 300 make 500. Now we need to check if we need to regroup the ones and tens place. Since 12 is greater than 9, that means we need to regroup. So that is step 1. Regroup 12 ones into 1 10 and 2 ones. Then we need to add the 10 with the 120 in the tens place. 120 plus 10 equals 130. Now step 2. Regroup 130 tens into 100 and 3 tenths. Then we need to add the 100 with the 500 in the hundreds place. So 500 plus 100 equals 600. Now we are ready to do step 3. Add the hundreds, tens, and ones. 600 plus 30 plus 2 equals 632. So 276 plus 356 equals 632. In the number bond strategy, we will also use the same number sentence. 276 plus 356 equals blank. Like in my previous video tutorial, I will be using the color red for the ones, blue for the tens, and black for the hundreds. Now let's add the ones first. 6 and 6 make 12. Then the tens. Since they are in the tens place, their values are 70 and 50. So 70 and 50 make 120. Then the hundreds. Since they are in the hundreds place, their values are 200 and 300. So 200 and 300 make 500. Step 1, we need to regroup the 12 ones into 1 10 and 2 ones. Then we need to add the 10 with the 120 in the tens place. 120 plus 10 equals 130. Then step 2, regroup 130 into 100 and 3 tenths. Then we need to add the 100 with the 500 in the hundreds place. 500 plus 100 equals 600. Now we are ready to do step 3. Add the hundreds, tens, and ones. 600 plus 30 plus 2 equals 632. So 276 plus 356 equals 632. Alright, in this slide, you will need to prepare a pencil, an eraser, and a piece of paper. You will need to click on pause while answering the exercises. Once you're done answering, you may continue with the tutorial. You may use any strategy that you are comfortable with in answering. You may click the pause button now. Now that you're done answering, let's find out what the answers are. Write a check mark beside your answer if you got the item correctly. Letter A. 633 plus 329 equals 962. Letter B. 318 plus 355 equals 673. Letter C. 559 plus 270 equals 829. Letter D. 478 plus 493 equals 971. Letter E. 495 plus 137 equals 632. Letter F. 689 plus 124 equals 813. You are amazing. In this slide, you will still need your pencil, eraser, and your paper. You will need to click on pause while answering the word problem. Once you're done answering, you may continue with the tutorial. For this word problem, you can still choose any strategy you want to use in answering. Here's the word problem. You may click the pause button now. Now that you're done answering, let's find out how much money Henry found. Here, I'm using the expanded way. You might have used a different strategy, and that's okay. So the equation will be 467 plus 268 equals blank. So 467 is 400 plus 60 plus 7. 268 is 200 plus 60 plus 8. Let's add 7 and 8, that's 15. 60 and 60 make 120. 400 and 200 make 600. And then we regroup 15 into 110 and 5 ones. Add 10 with 120 in the tens place. That is 130. Then regroup 130 into 100 and 3 tens. Add the 100 with the 600 in the hundreds place. That is 700. Now we are ready to add the hundreds, tens, and ones. So 700 plus 30 plus 5 equals 735. That means 467 plus 268 equals 735. Henry found 735 pesos in total. I hope you got the answer correctly. Great work! Let's have a quick review on what we learned today. When adding numbers with regrouping, we need to add the ones. Then regroup if it's greater than 9. So, if the ones is 7, do we need to regroup? No need. If the ones is 15, do we need to regroup? Yes. Regroup 15 into 110 and 5 ones. Same with the tens. And then regroup if it is more than 9 rods or the value is more than 90. So, if the tens has a value of 30, do we need to regroup? No need. If the value is 160, yes, we need to. Regroup 160 into 100 and 6 tens. Then add the hundreds, tens, and ones. We discussed some strategies in adding numbers with regrouping. These are the Basestand strategy, expanded way, and finally the number bond strategy. I hope you had fun while learning today. You were awesome. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and learn from home with Teacher Kareem. Till next time.